Today we will show you how to assemble the smart car kit. These are all the components we need. First we need to peel off the protective film on the surface of all acrylic sheets. Before assembling the servo rocker arm, it's recommended to power on the servo and control the servo shaft to rotate to the initial position, so then the rocker arm installed at a specific angle will be in the initial position. The 180-degree servo module needs to be connected to the servo port on the Adeept robot control board. The yellow line is connected to the yellow pin, the red line is connected to the red pin, and the brown line is connected to the black pin, as shown in the figure below, connected to pin P0. Connect your computer and Adeept robot control board with a USB cable. Place 4M3*12 copper standoffs on the holes of part A01, and then fix them with 4M3*8 screws to determine the direction of subsequent assembly. Pay attention to the position of the 4 standoffs on this side. If it's not the same as this, the Adeept robot control board cannot be installed. Fix the 5M3*14 countersunk screws to the 18650 battery holder with 5M3 nuts, and then install the 18650 battery holder to part A01 with 5M3 nuts. The battery holder cable can pass through the square slot. Fix 4M2*11 copper standoffs in part A01 with 4M2*8 screws. Then, secure the OLED screen with 4M2*8 screws. Use 2M3*30 screws and 2M3 nuts to fix the DC motor to part A09. Assemble 2 sets. Use 4M3*8 screws to fix 4M3*30 copper standoffs to part A01. Install WS2812 RGB LED to part A10. Use 2M2*10 screws and 2M2 nuts. Fix the assembled part A09 onto parts A01 and A10, ensuring that the slots of all components are correctly aligned. Then use 2M3*8 screws to fix part A10 to part A01. Install 2 rear wheels onto the motor shaft. Use 2M2*10 screws and 2M2 nuts to assemble the servo to part A06. Assemble 2 sets. Use 4M3*8 screws and 2M3*12 copper standoffs to fix the servo with part A11. Place 4M3*30 copper standoffs on the holes of part A11, and then fix them with 4M3*8 screws to determine the direction of subsequent assembly. Fix the rocker arm to part A04. Do not fully tighten the screws, otherwise the acrylic plate will not rotate freely. Leave some space between the screws and the acrylic plate. Install 2 sets of front wheels. Use 1 M4*40 screw, 1 M4 nut, 2 F624ZZ bearings, and 3 spring washers to assemble 1 part A12, 1 part A02, 3 parts A03, 1 part A05, and 1 front wheel for each set. The installation direction of A05 in the 2 sets is different. When installing the second set of wheels, the A05 is rotated 180 degrees before installation, other same. Use 2 M3*8 screws to install 2 M3*18 copper standoffs to part A01. First, use an M2.5*4 screw to fix part A04 to the servo. Second, insert the 4 F687ZZ bearings into the corresponding round holes of parts A01 and A11. Then, snap the upper and lower ends of assembled part A09 into the corresponding bearing holes. Finally, secure them all in place with 4M3*8 screws. Use 8M3*5 screws and 4M3*8 copper standoffs to install the I2C matrix display module onto part A13. Use 2M3*12 screws to assemble part A13 to part A10. Use 2M3*8 screws to fix the servo. Fix the rocker arm to part ADA037. First, snap part A08 into the corresponding slot of part A07, then use an M3*12 screw and an M3 nut to fix them in place. Use 4M1.6*10 screws and 4M1.6 nuts to install the ultrasonic module to part A08. Use an M2.5*4 screw to assemble part A07 to the servo. Please try to install it straight as shown in the figure below. Use 2M3*12 screws and 4M3 nuts to install the 3CH line tracking module to part A11. Use 2M2*10 screws and 2M2 nuts to install the light tracking module to part A11. Use 4M2*14 screws and 4M2 nuts to install the part A14 and RGB LED module onto part A01. Please connect the circuit correctly before installation. as is shown in the following picture. Install the Adeept robot control board and ESP8266 to part A01 with 4M3*8 screws.